Hey boys and girls, it's Super Science Friday and today you should be wearing your tie-dye t-shirt. We are gonna solve the letter E. Now remember boys and girls, you should have already done the POD. You are just checking your work with Miss Allen. So you need to have your color pencil ready to check your answers. Letter E says, 8 parrots are sitting in a tree. They are red and yellow. 3 parrots fly away. How many parrots are still in the tree? We use the solve method when we're solving our POD, and we have to underline the question, then think about what the problem is asking us to find. And the question is, how many parrots are still in the tree? And the problem is asking us to find the amount or the number of parrots that are still in the tree. Check and check. Then we circle the important parts and cross out the unimportant parts. What's important is 8 parrots and 3 parrots fly away. Cross out the unimportant parts. They are red and yellow. We don't need that to solve our problem, right? We only need to know how many we started with and how many flew away. Let's begin by drawing a picture. And I'm going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parrots are sitting in a tree. 3 fly away. So now we think about 3 parrots that fly away. Is this a putting together problem? Or is this a taking away problem? Exactly. It's a taking away problem because they left. So when we take away, we cross it out. 1, 2, 3, that flew away. Let's count how many parrots are still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to touch and count so you do not make a mistake. And you could write your number 5 here, or you can immediately put it in your answer box before you forget. But we also need to use another strategy because that's how we check our answer. And today I'm going to use my objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 counters to represent the number of parrots that are sitting in the tree, right? I'm going to take away 3 because 3 parrots flew away. So 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, mathematicians, one way we count is to touch and tell the number so we don't mix up our objects. And I'm going to skip the objects today, but you can do it. And I'm going to jump straight into my equation. So I drew a picture, I put a check. Now I'm going to go and try an equation. I know that I had 8 parrots in the beginning, and then I took away or minus 3 of those parrots because they flew away. And now I have 5 parrots. Look, my answer might be correct because I got 5 again. Now let's try the number line because a lot of my friends are having a hard time with the number line. And remember, we started with 8 parrots. And you have to put a dot on the line where you started. We know that if we go forward, we add. And if we go backward, we minus. And since this is a take away problem, we're going to jump backwards or hop back 3 spaces because 3 parrots flew away. So watch Miss Allen. We're on the number 8. I'm sorry, guys. Not the number 9. We're on the number 8. And we're going to jump back 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And circle the number you landed on, which is the number 5. Don't forget to check your strategy. I'm going to skip the 10 frame. And maybe I should also skip the number bond. I'm going to do one of the number bonds for my friends who are checking their answers. Okay? So let me check the number bond. And remember, we label our number bond. So I'm going to use this number bond. And I know that this is the whole because the 2 arms are coming out of it. So whole, part, and part. We started with 8 parrots. 3 parrots flew away. And then now we have 5. Remember, boys and girls, you must write in your units. And where do you find your units? We find it in the problem and also by thinking about what the problem was asking you to find. And the problem was asking you to find the number of parrots. So make sure that you write parrots. Hope you guys self-check your work with Miss Allen, self-assessed, and have a great weekend.